dry for a little bit and then point it up. On this chimney here, the lack of pitch has allowed moisture to get in here. They actually had exposed holes. So we took our grinder and we zapped out the joints a little bit. We're not grinding them deep because we're putting enough mortar on here that it'll bond. We've rinsed it clean with the hose, and then we're going to take our concrete bonding adhesive. I put a little bit in my cup right here. And I'm going to brush it all along. All my joints. If I didn't use the bonding agent, I also put some in the mortar. If I didn't use the bonding agent, then my mortar would be strong here, but it would be more prone to pop off as time progressed. Now, once we've done, we're taking it, we're just gonna pipe it right on in there. Once this sets, I'll take my trowel and I'll finish it off with a decent angle so that your runoff will be proper.